Hey, in front of me is Huawei P40 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change log method on this device. Let's start from Open Settings. And now we have to go to the biometrics and password. Here we have the 4 options like fingerprint, face recognition and also lock screen password. So we can go for the lock screen, but also we can go to the change unlock method and we can go for the pattern and 4-digit PIN. So set it like you want. I will go for the pattern and draw again to confirm, click done, and this is really simple thing, yeah. But also we can add the fingerprint. So first draw your pattern and we can set it the fingerprint ID like to unlock a device. So now we have to place our finger on the right side on the device. So yeah, let's start. And as you can see, we have to place the finger on the center and slightly on the edges to scan it correctly. Okay, now we have to enroll the edges of our finger. I think it's not the best fingerprint I ever use, but you have to know that it's not the most expensive device. Okay, so the fingerprint is scanned, and right now when we're going to lock our screen and try to unlock, we have to put our finger here and it's unlocked, but also we can go for the pattern that we draw before, and this is how it works on the Huawei P40 Lite. I hope that I help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscriptions.